Hi guys, so today I have a haul for you from HSN. I think it's an auto ship for Anna Griffin's items from the Carte Noir set, I believe. I might be wrong, but it is an auto ship. And then some stuff on Hunky Dory. So I don't believe that Anna Griffin stuff is available yet, but if there anything's available that I have affiliate links to, it'll be in the description box, and those will be affiliate links, which means I make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. So thanks for using those. What you were seeing right now, I don't know if you're going to see the video for it quite yet. It is the Simply Made Crafts Geo Cracker. I mean, you guys, look how pretty this is. And then the little small wreath box. I had a lot of fun making this the first time, you know, just out. So I try to give as many tips as I can. But the video is for both things, so it's like an hour long. So keep an eye out if I haven't already released it by the time you see this. But you guys, I mean, so cute. Oh my gosh. And then the little Geo Cracker does have a big hole, but we talk about that in the video. One other thing I want to mention is I did pick up the new Heartfelt Creations Joyous Noel collection. I can put my referral link in the description box for Heartfelt Creations themselves. They have what they call the One It All bundle. I don't think it's sold out yet. They also have the One It All bundle on Craft Stash, although it's at a higher price, I think. I don't know. But I did order mine, so hopefully I'll get that soon. It is sold out on HSN as far as the One and All bundle, and they only brought a few like pieces of it separately, which is kind of weird. Usually they bring everything separately plus the One and All bundle, but it's all angels and just pretty, so I think it'll look really nice with the star collection I picked up the last time around. I think this is the Anna Griffin box. There are some other things in here, but they're basically auto ships from Korres, which I love. You guys, I'm always talking about my Korres. I always have my little lotions here, and my friends here on YouTube have even sent me Korres as a gift, and which is really sweet. Literally, you can't go wrong with any of the scents. But just real quick to show you. Ooh, sorry guys. The auto ship. Smells good already. This stuff is amazing. I love it, and my husband tries to use it. I'm like, no, this is mine. Because look, I mean, it's a big bottle, but I'm not trying to share that. And then this is the one for the hands themselves, by themselves, Crepe Rescue Hand and Nail. I use this all the time. I use this on my arms all the time. I just have it sitting next to me. Actually, I'm running out, so this was coming in clutch. And then this is the chamomile tea scent of the regular lotion. Look at this bottle. I mean, I know it's hard to tell how big it is, but that's my hand. And then it has a body wash that's also kind of a bigger size. This intensive body treatment. I will link it if it's available because it's so good. Like when I use that stuff, I don't even use cuticle oil on top of it because it's just like thick and amazing. I love it. Okay, so let's check this out. I just realized I feel very hungry. I just woke up and I barely had the coffee going. And I sat on my couch for a little bit. I usually like check some comments and try to respond to things like that, emails. And then until I get the gumption to be on camera, you know, instead of just kind of being sleepy sounding. And my tummy's empty. Okay, let's see. I hope that's what this is, and I think it's like a fall-related one. I don't remember the wording that they gave me when I got the email that this was on its way. Or is it Christmas? Oh, yes. Okay. Kind of a bummer because I was hoping it was to be fall related, but you know what? We love Christmas, and this is the Finishing School Craft Box Carte Noel. I probably won't review this. I'll do the unboxing right now until it's available for more people to pick up. I know I think people asked when I'm going to review the like Halloween related ultimate card making auto ship from Die Press, and I'm like, oh, I was kind of still in Christmas mode. But we'll do that soon. And let me see, do they have Finishing School with a code? Of course, the code's down here. They have that slimline with the little house. Let's look at some of these. Oh yeah, the die is a house. Did they even show what it was going to be? I don't think they did. I think they discussed it, but I don't think they really showed what the next things are going to be. We just trust, of course, it's going to be awesome. So how cute is that? Let's see, we have lots and lots of like icicles and like little boughs or whatever, little garland sprays. Look at the little wreaths. Oh my gosh, I hope she comes out with this separately. A lot of times they'll end up selling the thing separately because this is the kind of thing I need for like that little window I have, some other door ones, and all those kind of things that we have. Look at this. I'm trying to show you the little candle. This little spray there, a little holly, a little candle, a little tree that's a little bit bigger. Merry Christmas. Really cute. These are kind of petite. I don't know if you can see that. How small they are. Merry Christmas, Christmas wishes, season's greetings, all that kind of stuff. And then these guys, again, she separates them out. These are a little bit bigger, I would say, in perspective, other than like these little garlands, but like this is, holly is way bigger than like what's over here. Little cards, like ephemera pieces. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. Look at, oh, this is darling. Slimline envelopes. The card bases, again, very typical, right? So we have that green with the gold foil. I'm just skipping over a few at a time. Ooh, that one's so pretty with the snowflakes. I don't want to bend these too much. This one has like a blue background with the snowflakes. That green scallop border. This one probably, it's creamy colored. Green edge foil, red edge foil, and that one with the gray in there. Nice long sheets of paper that are super cute. I guess they're double-sided because on this other side it's kind of plain. It's always hard for me to use the plain side. Like, why would you when you have this prettiness over here? Oh, the little brick. I think we've seen that before, right? Hasn't we have... I don't know. I feel like I've seen little brick patterns. These are all brick patterns. You guys, this is... Oh my gosh. And then the gold matte paper, of course. And then the dies. Oh my gosh. Look it. These are super cute. Of course, I mean, these are a little harder to work with because you basically need to use like shiny paper to make it look like anything. Or if you like to color them in, some people like to do that. Super cute. Can't wait to play with that. But again, I will wait a little bit. At least try to give it some time to come in stock. Okay. Let me put this away and then I'll get the Hunkydory box open and I'll be right back. Fortunately, I told you guys the last time I got Hunkydory box, I knew something was refunded already. And this time, 3 things were refunded. I mentioned the last one that I had seen ahead that I knew these were refunded, but they don't tell you until they go to ship. So they didn't ship for like 2 weeks. In the meantime, the stuff sold down on Crash Stash. It's obviously gone from them because they sold it to me, but they still didn't put it in the box. You know what's interesting though? I feel like this happens very often with European companies or like the ones in out of the UK. And I always remember Sarah on Crafts Command saying like at the end of the day their computers like close out the day and then they fulfill the shipments or whatever. So it's like, why don't they have inventory that's like on time? Let they know, you know what I'm saying? Like I don't understand that. And I've seen this happen now with Hunkydory, and then what was the other one? I can't remember. It wasn't Craft Stash, but anyway, like why do they oversell? I don't understand that. It's really a bummer. So those 3 things I can't get now. Hopefully they'll come back in stock, but like, come on, dude, that's not right. Anyway, at the time they had the little free paper packs or whatever it was, so at least in this one I do have the paper pack, which is nice. They forgot to put it in the last one. Supposedly they're sending it separate, so I do have the little toppers. I have the inserts and like cardstock, and then the free paper pack. What's so interesting is like if you're in the UK and you ordered over $40, you got this stuff. But for us to get the free shipping, it's pay basically $140, $145 unless you want to pay like 20 something dollars for shipping. So like, and then they get free shipping with like $25 or $30 orders, pounds, and I'm like, how? It's so good. How they must have very, very inexpensive shipping in the UK. I don't know, because even Craft Stash, I think over like 20 some odd pounds you get free shipping, but for us it's over 80, right? Which I understand. I mean, especially because it's paper, like especially with Hunkydory. I mean, this stuff's heavy, but why can't we get those deals? All right. So we have the Joy of Christmas festive trimmings, cutting dies. And what's a real bummer is one of those ones that sold out. It was actually the last time around, the last haul. It was a whole set of just like snowflakes that was super cute that came bundled with another, that set with the corner snowflakes and all that. And it's like, how are you going to sell as a bundle and then one of the items sells out in the bundle? Like, anyway, so we have these guys. It's okay. Like, it's cute. I think this was a bundle too. That's why I know I didn't buy that separately. I'm pretty sure I didn't buy that separately. Excuse me, sorry. So, funny enough, this was in the bundle, I think, that I ended up picking up, but I already bought this on eBay, if you guys recall. So I'm going to put this over here with my D-Stash stuff. I have a whole pile of D-Stash, which I will get to soon, guys. I don't know when or how, because like I said, the last time I used Store Envy, they double charged me some different things, and like I try to sell things at a reasonable rate, and some things were just basically paying for the shipping and I'll send it out, and they took pretty much the money. So I was like, what happened? And then they said it was PayPal's fault, and I'm like, Or Stripe. Stripe is another company. That's what it was. And I'm like, you know what? I'm not even like going back and forth with people. I'm good. So we will see. I'll work it out somehow. The bracket label swing card, which is a nice size. I don't know if you can tell by the size of my hand. I don't know what I do with my silver ruler. It's around here somewhere, and it drives me nuts to use a different ruler, so I'm not going to measure it. But you guys can hopefully have a good idea of how big that is. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, and this is the holly frame. Holly jolly frame. Again, I believe it was bundle, that's why I ended up getting it. These guys I've been looking at, the peace or not peace combos, the moonstone combos. So this has the word peace, and then it has all these stamps that go along with it. So peace on earth, the gift of peace, and you know, peace to, I don't know, all the family, to you at Christmas. And then there's that makes sense once you put them together. The word Mary, and it's a nice size, right? Eat, drink, and be, or to you, or little may your days be, and yours, and all these other words. And then joy, season of festive love, comfort. I am waiting on some that I picked up that are from, what's their company called? Creative Expressions. They have something similar. So, okay, these snippables. I was curious about these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, please don't. Please, no. There should be 6 of those, and I was curious about that because I didn't know if they were going to run out. It seemed like something they might tell me, oh, they don't have any more. So there are 1, 2, I'll have to make sure. I think there's supposed to be 6. The mask, I don't remember picking this up. I wonder if it was a bundle, because I don't remember. Maybe I would have picked this one up for sure, but I don't know about this one. So snowflake sparkle and festive patterns. Cool. They're basically stencils. They call them masks, right? Of course, I love that kind of thing. Festive rose, Matte-tastic adorable scoreable. Again, it's just their thick paper. Another one of these festive kind of foil papers that I think is sold out everywhere right now. And then this is just a little red robin, adorable scoreable. I just like the colors that are in there, and I'm trying to get more of their adorable scoreable stuff. We have this, so pretty. So these guys, you can buy toppers sets and things by themselves. So they were on sale, and sometimes they want $4 or $5 for one like this, you know. It just depends what's in there. But look how gorgeous this is. Goodwill to all, and I just really love the imagery on this. Look look how beautiful the stained glass, just gorgeous. So I picked up a few of those. This Snippables obviously goes with that. Oh yeah, what's up? Okay. So, yes, this is an issue. It should have been all of this and all the stamps that go with it, and I was only credited back other things that sold out. Yeah, that's it. That's the end of the box. Check it out. I'll show you nothing in this box. I have the supersized silver Mary card block and then the gold Mary card block, and these are huge. I don't know if I ever make a box or something. That's pretty much what I wanted these for. I am concerned right now because how am I going to get in contact with these people and tell them they didn't give me the 6th die and none of the stamps? This is the kind of stuff that I guess I'm done ordering from them. I don't know. I have one more thing that I had ordered around the same time, right? And this has been weeks in the making, so I guess I'll let that come in, and then I don't know, because this is not cool. Especially because they credited me these dies. These things that they credit up here are just dies, Moonstone. And I already knew that. But I had a feeling that they were going to short me something from this Snippables set, so we'll talk about that in a minute. Foil Matte-tastic cardstock. Again, beautiful foil. Really pretty. And then Penguin Party. These were on sale for like a couple bucks. So that's why I grabbed just those. So I picked up extra of the Snippables. Again, I showed you guys the spring Snippables the other day. Because I want to have more of these. Basically, these dies will cut the little characters out, and then whatever you want to do as far as decoupaging, you continue doing that. There are, let's see. I want to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, there's supposed to be 6 of these guys. So what am I missing? I have the penguin, we have the poinsettia, we have Santa Claus, we have this guy, which I really was in love with, and then I'm missing the lantern, this one, which was one of my favorites too. It's this one, plus all the stamps that go with them. So, alright guys, well that doesn't make me very happy, but I'll get in contact with them, see what they say. I want the stamps, I don't want this set without that's the problem, right? Anyway, alright guys, well thanks for watching. I'll link whatever's available as I can, and keep an eye out for some of the other videos, alright? See you at the next one. Okay, guys, bye now. I was taking a quick picture, but I went and I already called Hunkydory themselves, and apparently, even though I got confused, I guess, on that one, because the ultimate bundle of those snippables did not include the stamps. Even though it's called Ultimate, because they have other bundles where it does have everything. So okay, so at least I didn't get, you know, apparently it wasn't something I was ever going to get anyway. But also, what's the word? This one, the lantern, they did sell out of it, so I'm not going to have it. So hopefully I can find it on Craft Stash or somewhere else. Maybe Ecstasy Crafts has it. But see, here's the thing: when I pick things up, because these have been out. This isn't anything new. I'm like here and there and everywhere looking for like that die, you know, which is crazy. But oh well. All right, well, I guess I'll have to keep searching. But they were really nice. They're always really nice. Like I just want my stuff. I don't want refunds. I want my stuff, right? But whatever. So at least I took care of it. So they're gonna do like a little partial refund on something. The lady's like, and now that I think about it, actually, if she gives me £5, that's not really anything. Because whatever. I'm not even gonna. It's fine. Okay, because of the price of the thing, you know what I'm saying, if you divide it by however many items, if that's how you want to look at it, it's these, and one paper pack. I picked up more paper packs just to have them. Anyways, I'm good. Alright, I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.